I'm gonna make you a fucking shit.
What about all the illegal you do in your garage?
Oh, there's no illegal
and on the property.
drugs.
There is, and there's evidence of it.
What? There's no illegal drugs on my property. You know what? See, you can sit there and try to make all kinds of accusations you want. Oh yeah, what?
Listen, fuckhead, you have fucking crossed the line. You get in my face with that, I'll beat your goddamn ass, you son of a bitch.
You don't respect police officers?
Don't give a fuck what the police officer said.
You sussy baka. It's almost like we have an imposter among us.
Heck. Oh. Where did you put the methy?
Walt, I don't know, man.
Where is my mothi, Mr. White?
See what you're gonna do.
Allahu Akbar!
Jeste.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Hajde, baci piš.
It's time to hop onto my porn throne and machine gun jackhammer my death grip bloodshot semi-chub with my roided doomfist once again!
Zabio ja sam, amigo!
Meanwhile,
Fight!
hours later.
Šta vučiš to koji kurac ti to?
Kurčina.
Došao sam izrazi svoje nezadovoljstvo, on nije normalno.
Kaj? Pa jebo me pas ako mi ikad više dođe me. Treba još mačinu zvijem.
Šaljte haubice, tenkove, sve moguće pričanje!
Eto, vidi šta su uradili, evo.
Kjerac to je.
Sad ću ti stucati tvoje jaja kako si ti mene mogo tucati.
Good morning, Alex.
Think fast, chuckle nut. Bump.
Meanwhile...
Fuck you, man. Samo nam jedna treba. Da li bi nam dali pičke?
Maybe you should try getting a job.
Emotional damage.
I'm the Homelander. And I can do whatever the fuck I want. What a shame.
Čovjek zgazi časnu sestru i onda izlazi van iz auta i kaže njoj sad poleti Batman.
Yo, look who fell asleep first. Prank him, John. You already know. Yo!
Oh, you think this is funny? You should mind your own fucking business. You know what? Fuck this! You got a lot of fucking balls, you know that?
Dame i gospodo, mi u HDZ-u donesli smo jednoglasnu odluku. za novoga predsjednika stranke. Naš novi predsjednik je jedan, jedini, Toni Soprano.
Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you. All through my wild days, my mad existence, I kept my promise. Don't keep your distance.